Great to be back, and if you want to have a dance with us, let's kick it off right now.
Stone now rolling by. Together we can see what we will find. Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover inside. She told me that I would find a hole within the fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal, and all the while my character it steals. Yep. The darkness is almost turned, don't you think? And yet it dominates the things I see. It seems that all my bridges have been burned, but you say that's exactly how this grace thing works. It's not a long walk home that will change this heart, but the welcome I receive when the restart. This feels like a welcome. Darkness is a horse turned, don't you think? Yet it dominates the things I see. Darkness is a horse turned, don't you think? Yet it dominates the things I see. Stars inside your flies, these are my desires. I'll give them up to you this time around, and so I'll be found with my stick stuck in this ground. Welcome the territory out of this, a newly processed soul. But you've gone too far this time. You have neither reason nor rhyme with which to take this soul that is so rightfully mine. For those of you who can't count, that was 3 strings upright. 3 strings.
Nice.